What's up, guys? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this TENS machine from Amazon. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you guys, so I have here a TENS machine and we're going to do a unbox and we'll see what's in the box. There we go. So again guys, this is my order in Amazon, and again this is not a sponsored vlog. I just got this one in Amazon and we'll see. Oops, it's over here. There you go. So I got this machine. It's a TENS machine, and I got this one for about $29. Not bad, maybe, but we'll see. What's in a box? We'll see. So again, I got this TENS machine and EMS device, a Pro 15AB, and it's a very small box, but we'll see what's in here. Yeah, because I use a different TENS machine, and now I'm just trying to make a difference again. So I got this one, I saw this one in Amazon, and it looks like really good. There you go. So again, I got this is Brilnurse brand. And this is the box right now. Oh, wow. Oh, very small. So small. So tiny. I hope this one has a battery, or else we have to turn, or oh, there you go. We have a battery. We're gonna try this one later. And I got here a manual, how it works, blah blah blah, and they have this pouch. You have the pouch, really big pouch. I can put my hands here. And they have this sticky for your back. Nice thing there, they have Velcro on each of the wire probe, and then they have two of them. Oh, and then they have here a USB-C, I think. This is a USB-C. Okay, and then USB. So this is what we have here. And then they have this one for, you can put the unit, and then they have the small ones. They have a medium size. How many are they? You got two, no, four, and then oh, they got six. They have spare of two, and only this one is only two. This one here is only two, so I got six here, two, and that's about it. So what is the specs here? We'll see. So this is again made in China, and if you have some support, whatever is that one here. Again, here's the manual. Honestly, I have no idea what to do this, but again, I will do a test on this one here later on, and then we'll see how it works, right? So they have that the power button, they have that power supply, They have the A and B, where you're going to put your this one, put it here or put it here, and then here's the control. So probably I can turn on this and we'll see how it looks like. So there is A and B, and then there's a manual. Oh, minutes, and then they have up to what? They have up to 90 minutes. Wow, an hour and a half. Is it an hour and a half? And then they have this functionality, how it works. So you say plus plus plus, minus here, and then that's the 2, that's the 3. How to change this one. I go that one, and then very interesting. Yeah, very interesting. It's only 2 of those. 2 functionality that you need to. That's a minute. There you go. So to change from the top going to the bottom, you just go M, and then go that way, and then it's only 6 functionality here. Okay. So, but again, I hope this one will help on my sore or something, and for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it's gonna be cool. Okay, so again, just a preference probably. This is really good, and it's small, really good and small. Look at that. It's very small. It's just smaller than my palm. But again, I don't know how powerful is this, but the price preference is about. I got a sale on this one here, so that's why I got $29. It was $40, and then less $10 off. So that's why I got it for $29. So why not? And it's anyways, it's free shipping, and we'll see about this. And so far, the review on this one is really good. That's why I was interested to take this, because the review was really good. So, but again, I hope this one will helps on any body sore or something, or any body what do you call that one? It's for your body massage if you want to. That's gonna be nice probably. So it's very small, guys. It's really small. So you can put this one here. It's so handy, and I can bring this one to work, and then I'm gonna bring some pads and put it here, and then again, just to maintain this, because I have a different brand. The only thing I didn't have here is the spray for the water. So it's gonna be nice if you have the water spray, because you need to have some water on the pads, because if you don't have any water, or if you moisture or something for this, it's gonna be dry or something and don't want to stick anymore. So that's why you have, when you remove this after you're done, put some water and then put this plastic on, and then put it back, and it will be back again to life. So for the one that I have, it takes me too long to use, probably over a year, but still really good and so sticky. Okay, so but I guess if you have any comment, suggestion, just comment below, and I hope this unboxing helps you about what's this in the box. Okay, so but again, thank you so much for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and a wonderful day.